everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is 10th May and today is Monday and the time is 8 p.m. And I am telling you this because I am feeling extremely tired right now and I'm not sure if I am going to be able to complete the recording, the editing and post this video today. So if I cannot post this today, you will know the recording time and you will get to know how lazy I am in real life. Okay, so let's see if I can really post this video today. Okay, so let's get to the actual point of this video, which is Sony just now dropped the full trailer for Venom Let There Be Carnage, and I am here to break the trailer down for you. So without any further ado, let's start. So as the trailer starts out, we see that Venom has already gotten used to the human life and he is cooking some food for Eddie, but he is doing a very terrible job at it. And it is really fun to see Venom interact with Eddie and them talking with each other. It was really fun on the previous movie and it is really fun on this one too. Also, on the first shot of the trailer, we see that there is a rule written on the wall which is no eating people, and it assures you that we are going to see a ton of back and forth dialogue exchange between Eddie and Venom, and it will be hilarious to watch. And then we get to see the prison in which Cletus Cassidy is being held, whose body Carnage is using. And then we see that his prison cell has all kinds of markings and writings on the walls, which makes it clear that not only Carnage is a crazy symbiote, but Cletus Cassidy himself, the human, is pretty crazy and a total maniac of a person. At one point of the trailer, Cassidy says that Eddie, you and I are the same, which makes it pretty clear that he does know that Venom is inside Eddie's body. That sounded weird. I meant to say that Eddie is the host of Venom. Okay, so in the next shot, we see that Cassidy is going under a medical procedure and he's lying on a bed, and as soon as they inject him with the solutions, Carnage starts to take over his body. And that makes me wonder that if Carnage can take over Cassidy's body whenever he wants, just like Venom, why are they still at this prison? Do they really have some sort of intention to stay at the prison at their own will? I guess we will just have to wait and find out. Also, quick mention I want to make is that there was a lot of rumors going on about this trailer that we will get to see some tie-ins from Spider-Man or Morbius or something about the Spider-Verse going on, but we did not get any of that. So I am wondering what they are actually gonna do with Morbius, Venom and Spider-Man moving forward. Who knows, maybe we might get to see someone, Morbius or Spider-Man, in this movie's post-credit scene or something. I don't know. I was just wondering. Okay, let's get back to discussing the trailer. Also, I thought all the symbiotes were destroyed on the first movie except Venom, but that is clearly not the case because we can clearly see in this shot that this person has a symbiote with her. So I think we are going to see multiple symbiotes in this movie along with Venom and Carnage. Alright, so we did not get to see a whole lot of action scenes in the trailer, but whatever they showed was very well made and it looked promising, and also the CGI looks absolutely amazing. Alright guys, so finally we get to see Carnage in this trailer near the ending. The thing that we have been waiting for so long, to get one single shot of Carnage and to get to know how he really looks, and Sony fulfills our wishes and we get to see Carnage, and Carnage really looks very deadly and he looks pretty scary, and I mean he looks like he will give Venom a hard time. And also, I wanted to mention the fact that I have seen Carnage in the comics, and he really looks very comic accurate in the trailer. And finally, we get to see a scene where Mrs. Chen and Eddie are talking about some chocolates or something, and Venom tells Eddie that he might eat Mrs. Chen, and it's a really hilarious scene, which again assures us that there will be a lot of funny scenes throughout the film. And finally, all I want to say is that I really liked the first part of this movie. It was a really fun movie, and I am really excited to see how this turns out. And it has a really high expectation bar set for it already, and I hope it goes up to the mark. So yeah guys, this is it for my Venom trailer breakdown. I know this video is a little bit rushed, but I'm sorry, I am very tired and I had to get it over with as fast as I could. But if you still have any questions regarding this trailer, you can leave them in the comment section and I will be very happy to reply to them. Alright guys, thank you for hanging out with me throughout the video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys again in my next video this week. And before I go, please do not forget to follow me on the social media linked in the description below. Stay safe and take care of yourself, and bye bye.